This year for school, I got an iPad, so I use Apple Notes a lot because I can transfer stuff from my iPad over to my computer really easily. So I have my notebooks organized just by class. Um, you could see my 270 one right here. I can take pictures and sometimes I write on them. This was me studying for my quiz, and I also write all my notes by hand. Um, these are some of my other notes and everything for that class. Then this is for my other education class. I can put PDFs in really easily, and then if I open them on here, I actually took a bunch of notes on my iPad. I can write in and highlight things. And if I want to, I can even do that on the computer right here, just using these buttons. And I could use this search bar to search for anything that's in here, like goals, say, and it will pull up all the different spots for me. But also, I like it because if I search right here, I can search anywhere. I'll just type in the, but it will pull up in any note where I wrote that word, and it will even search for my handwriting where I wrote the word the, and that's really nice. So I can type in any keyword and find any notes really easily all in one place. So I just like the way that it keeps everything organized and set up. So yeah.